Hey guys, welcome back to Super Science YouTube channel. This is Leonid and today we will continue our journey into the world of beautiful data visualization. This is setup tutorial for those who don't have R and RStudio installed, so if you have, feel free to skip it up, but better watch to the end. I will reveal new upcoming R series, which will make data visualization guru from you. I will demonstrate installation using a Mac, but all steps would be similar to Windows. We will need to install R first. To download R, we need to go to rproject.org. Here, under the download section, click CRAN. There we will need to select a mirror. Just click on any link below Zero Cloud, which will automatically select a mirror for us. Okay, here we need to choose link for our operation system. In my case it is Mac, so I will proceed by clicking appropriate link. Now we need to select most recent R version. In this case this is 3.4.4. I already downloaded the file, so let's open installer and follow up through installment steps. Again, I'm on Mac, so for Windows it could look a little bit different. We will click continue here. This is readme document. We will click and continue again. Next is license agreement. We will click continue here and then click agree. Here you can choose installation type, but we will proceed with standard installment. Click install, put in your password, click install software, wait a few seconds, and basically we are done. Okay, we're done with R. Let's move to RStudio. Let's open rstudio.com and click download RStudio. There are a few versions of RStudio. For our needs, we just need RStudio Desktop Open Source license. So click download or scroll down. Here select operating system you are working with. I'm on Mac, so I will choose Mac. As always guys, Leonid already prepared the installer. I will just click on RStudio, drag RStudio into applications folder, and basically we are done with installing RStudio. We need to open the application and I will show you few things which we may want to adjust. As we're here to improve our visualization techniques, let's start with a small step and adjust RStudio appearance. We need to click on Tools, Global Options, Appearance, and here we will make some changes. I don't like RStudio classic theme. I prefer modern one. It's always up to you, just check what works better for you. I will use Monaco font as it is my favorite. Choose font size which works for you the best. For me it is always 10. And about editor theme, I prefer Cobalt, but there are some nice options as well. I like also Dracula or Vibrant Ink. You can check all these options. Maybe you would like to use white one, but as I said, for me Cobalt is one of the best. So I will stick to it, click apply and OK. Now we will install required packages and I will reveal upcoming series for you guys. I prepared the code. You just need to download it from Super Science, plotting in R. I will also include this link into description as always. Then you just need to go down, click the setup under tutorial number 2, unzip the folder, go to RStudio, File, Open File, and just click Open the file. There you will find list of libraries, and it will reveal new R series, which we will launch in the near future. For this series, you will need just few of these packages like ggpubr, dplur, ggplot2, anytime, stringer, zoo, lubridate, ggpubr, and few more would be added through the series. As you may notice, there are few left. There are Plotly, Shiny, and Shiny Dashboard. Plotly is an awesome visualization library for R. It makes interactive publication quality graphs online, and with Shiny you can combine them into powerful analytical dashboards. So these we will cover in upcoming R series on SDS YouTube channel. What will be next is up to you. Just leave a comment below the video, Plotly or Shiny. So let's finish this tutorial and install the packages. We just need to run the code. Then we need to install all libraries. Of course, it will take some time to install all these packages depending on your internet speed. And using apply function here is a convenient way to launch multiple libraries in R when you start a new session. Just execute the code and all libraries will be launched. That's all for today. Subscribe to Super Science YouTube channel, like and share this video. See you soon, guys.